So what was that for?
My people are good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends of where they watch me from. The work where I can't do for you, I want to do my people here.
Okay, your name?
My name is Adeleke the plumber man.
Adeleke the plumber man. Okay, maybe you see the work where?
The work, this one I was here busy for the bar. I'm busy for the bar. In case if you want wash your hand, maybe you eat anything for inside the bar, you won't wash your hand. That's why we put the washing hand business here.
Okay.
This is the wash like this.
Okay.
Yes.
You do anything tank here?
Another one, the tank with the water for the come outside. You see this back here. I will see connect this side, so connect the tank with each and quarter pipe. See this and quarter, now maybe that white pipe when this, so each and quarter pipe, and we see connect the tank down.
Okay.
And we have the tank for the water for the enter all the houses. This like this.
Okay, move see the rest.
This place now visitor toilet.
Okay, visitor toilet
for the house. This place now visitor toilet. Washing hand basin. So washing hand basin. Mirror. This one a mirror. This one a for bumper wash. This one a for bumper wash.
Okay.
Toilet. So this is toilet. This one a for tissue hanger.
Okay, tissue hanger.
This place na dining. This place na dining. Dining. Can see the water very get pressure.
Okay.
Any busy. One bedroom did this down. But you have busy for the bedroom. And this one. Mirror and the show bridge, shower. This place is my shower.
Okay.
Shower and water heater.
Water heater.
So now where they put all those liquid soaps, all those ones, all those cream, arrange cream for you. So now for the tap, for the bucket. Bonbon wash. Toilet. And the tissue hanger.
The tissue hanger.
Towel hanger.
Okay.
For the towel hanger, and do one like this. I see do one like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Another one today.
Up.
Okay, up.
One of the bedroom for the up. And this one about what you have busy. And a mirror, LED mirror.
Okay, LED mirror.
This one for the they put all those liquid soap, cream, and you put for here. Shower. This is your shower.
Okay.
Shower. Soap this. The tap for the business. Water heater.
Okay, water heater.
Toilet. Bubble wash.
Okay.
Hanger.
Okay.
That's one hanger. This one and chichu hanger.
Okay, tissue. Okay.
That one see the that bedroom. You see the bedroom. Washing basin. And I washing basin. And then this one a mirror. I feel led me when I do this one. Shower.
Okay.
Show this. Water heater. This place, liquid soap cream. They arrange and put for this side. This one for the tissue hanger. Toilet. Bonbon wash. Towel hanger.
Okay.
And a towel hanger. Washing hand basin. This mirror, LED mirror.
LED mirror.
They are cream or liquid soap. This one, they are ready for here. Soap this, tap, shower.
Okay.
Water heater. Bonbon wash.
Okay.
Toilet. And tissue hanger. Towel hanger. Towel there. This one. So your towel here and comfort for all these places.
Okay.
Here na master. This place washing basin. Yeah, this washing basin na the same magic quiz.
Okay.
Pressing waist. You press am inside. See the press am. If you press am like this, you don block. Nothing dey smell enter. Nothing dey go. Mirror. LED mirror too. Shower.
Okay.
Tap. Soap dish. Toilet. Bonbon wash.
Okay.
Tissue hanger.
Okay, tissue hanger.
Towel hanger. This soap, liquid soap hanger, cream, with arrange here.
Okay.
Water heater. Mazi water heater.
This one called the jacuzzi.
This one na jacuzzi.
Okay, now here. Okay, now here everything.
Na here everything like this.
Okay, see the rush. So my people, other plumber take me around here for do installation of plumber toilets, water heater, and many won't do here. So okay, you call you. So okay, like how much cost you now to do this? Okay.
This work, so both installation and the tank cost 650.
Okay, 650.
The tank is 200. This installation is 450.
Okay, so you call your phone number 1 hour extra of 3
My phone number is 070 63 23 89 93. Another phone number.
Okay, another phone number I call am.
070 89 81 63 58. That's 85.
Okay.
85.
So my people, please understand how to watch this video.